In part 1 of this video, we learn how to use the 4 widgets to control the center chart. This video will focus on the toolbar and interaction with the center chart. By default, MySammy Manager displays the user chart. The exception is the Personal Edition, which only has one user, so there's no user chart option. We can also view charts by date or by applications. Let's click on the Date Chart icon. The graph updates to display a summary by week. Now, click on the Application Chart icon, and we see the graph updates to display a summary by application. Anytime we click on the Home button, we will return to our default chart. We see Brittany has the most active computer time. We can also display the keystrokes for each user by clicking on the Keystrokes option. Now we see the keystroke chart is added to the graph. This gives us a different perspective, and we see Liz has the most number of keystrokes. To hide the graphs, click on Hide Keystrokes. For every chart in MySammy, we can also see the same information in grid format or with the chart and grid together. Click on the Both icon, and we can see the data is displayed in both chart and grid format. The center chart is also interactive. Let's click on Liz's bar graph in the center chart to drill down to her daily chart. We see the user widget automatically shows only Liz is checked. Let's click on the date graph for December 2nd to drill down to the application chart for Liz. Notice the date widget has reflected our change and only December 2nd is selected. Let's click on the application Excel to drill down to a grid displaying the detailed activity for Liz using Excel on December 2nd. With the combination of the 4 widgets and the center graph, you now have the tools to harness the power of the MySammy Manager.